Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to copy deposit address in Tonkeeper wallet. For that, you need to launch your Tonkeeper wallet application, and over here you will be able to see your available balance, and underneath it you will be able to see your wallet address. So in order to copy it, you can just tap on it and it will show you that the address is now copied. Now the second method of copying the deposit address is by tapping on the receive button. So once you tap on receive button, you will be able to see the QR code as well as your deposit address. So you just have to tap on the copy tab over here and you will be able to copy your address from here. Now if you want to get the deposit address for the particular coin, let's say you want to get it for USDT, so you need to first select USDT on the home page and now tap on the receive button. So what this will do is it will show you the QR code as well as the deposit address associated with the particular coin that you have selected. So you need to tap on copy it and it will show you that the address is now copied. So this way you can copy the deposit address in Tonkeeper wallet and use it in order to deposit cryptos in your Tonkeeper wallet. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.